Can you get it? Did you get it? Where is it? Elliot keeps his catnip mice in my shoes and under the fridge. And he's such a cool cat. You got it? Alright. Off and running. Now can I cook breakfast? Lukey! You just stole his mouse! Did you just steal his mouse? Oh, there's more under there. I don't know who's smarter, the dog that buries his food or the cat that hides his toys. Where'd you put his mouse? Give him back his mouse. Give him back his mouse. Right here, Elliot. Right here. That's Elliot's mouse. Let's go make pancakes.